Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you something really cool. I went to a arcade reunion last night, December 4th, and these are called Astro Cabinets, ASTRO, and they happen to be there. As you see, this board is a Naomi board made by Sega. This particular board requires a network connection to boot. And as you just saw, I zoomed in on that little computer down there. That is a Raspberry Pi with a character dot matrix display attached to it. What's in there is an operating system that turns it into a network device. So what's happening here is the Raspberry Pi is simulating an IP address for the Naomi board to boot. So I get real close to it, you can see the network cable. I will show in a second here of close-ups of the board. So as you see here, this is the close-up of the Raspberry Pi. So what's happening here is it says sending. This particular device is sending an IP address to the Naomi board. Basically, if you ever heard the term placebo, which is like with medicine and they say it's fake, but you think it's working, that's what this technically is. So it's sending basically a fake IP address to the Naomi board. And I have another picture coming up shortly. So this is you see a hole on it goes down to board. App is but it's easy to replace. That's right. All right. So as I was stating, that this is network connected, and it's just a simple standard Ethernet cable. You can go to Best Buy or Amazon and get it online. So this picture right here, this is the almost back side of the Raspberry Pi. You see a green light, and you see the red, which is a reflection of the neon that's above, because remember, you have to remember this is at a museum. So as you see here, this is a case, and the case is mounted to the cab itself, the Astro cab, and the Pi is mounted in it, and it looks really cool. I like the way that looks. So this is the second part of the video. You see, and there's also a red light on there, which is the power. Then you have the green, which is the indication. And yes, there's still a reflection of the light neon above. So I'm not sure if you can see it in the picture, but there are buttons there. And what this does is you can manipulate certain things on that character display. Now, I don't know whoever set this up changed the functions of those buttons, but and as you can see, it has a digital marquee there. So this took a little bit to boot, and with that, after I shot this, I did walk away from the game to go play something else, and it eventually booted. It just took a little bit of time to do it. It was okay. So I thought this was very interesting, and yes, I have heard of people taking Raspberry Pis and making them for network purposes. I've never done it, but I know you could do that. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.